Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to do question number 1. So we are given this equation y equals negative 2x squared plus 12x plus 11. And we have to like turn it into like vertex form. So first we have to distribute, like not distribute, but like take these two, like the first two terms and like put them into brackets and then leave the third term out. So that'll be bracket negative 2x squared plus 12x bracket plus 11. And then step number 2, we're going to factor it. So it's going to be negative 2 bracket x squared minus 6x bracket plus 11. And then step number 3, we have to find a number to square, hence complete the square. So I chose negative 6 divided by negative 2 squared, and I got negative 3 squared. And then negative 3 times negative 3 is going to be positive 9. So plus 9 and minus 9, plus 11. And then step number 4, I'm going to have to put it into step number 4, I took out the positive 9. I kept the negative 9 in there because I'm supposed to get I'm supposed to get a positive number. Because if I did negative 2 times positive 9, I'll be negative 7. And that's not going to give me the k value. That's not the k value I want. So step number 4, sorry, it's going to be negative 2x squared minus 6x minus 9 bracket plus 11 plus 18. I got 18 because I did negative 2 times negative 9. So negative again, it's going to be positive 18. And then step number 5, I'm going to put this into finally vertex form. So it's going to be negative 2x, got rid of the squared, minus 3 squared plus 29. I got the 3 squared because I took out before the 9 is the 3 squared, so that's where I got the 3 squared from. And then since this is a 3, can't see it properly, but it is. Okay, I think I messed up. Okay, it's a 3. It's positive 3. So since it's ax minus h squared plus k, h is always going to change. So if it's negative here, it's going to be positive when I put it in final sentences. So the vertex is going to be positive 3 and positive 29, as you can see. And then part B is asking for the axis of symmetry. And then I use this formula, negative b divided by 2a, which equals, it's going to be, so in b value is negative 12. And then 2 times negative 2. And that will equal 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So negative 12 remains, divided by negative 4, which will equal 3. And then x equals 3. And then C, which is right here, we have to draw, it's asking for the direction of the opening. It's going to be down, as you can, the parabola is normal drawn, but it's intersecting with this, but it's opening down, as you can see, because it's maximum, so maximum means it's opening down. And part D, we have to find the x-intercepts, which also are known as zeros. So there's 2 x-intercepts that I found. I'm going to tell you how I found them. So first, I had to change up the equation. So this is the original equation, and then I did negative 2x squared plus 12x plus 11 equals 0, just for the y. And then 2x squared minus 12x minus 11 equals 0. This is the new equation that I came up with after I brought everything from this side to that side, which is going to be opposite. So if it's addition, it's going to be subtraction. So this is the quadratic formula equation. So it'd be x equals negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, which you can see. So first it's x negative. I did 2 negatives because for here it's negative when I changed it. So I did negative bracket negative 12 plus minus, so negative plus minus, sorry. And the square root, b value is 12 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 11, because from the equation, divided by 2 times 2. So negative 12 plus minus, because negative, positive. And then 12 squared is 144. And then negative 4 times 2, which is negative 8 times negative 11, which is going to be positive 88 divided by 4. And then I did 12 plus minus square root 232 divided by 4. And then x1, 12 plus 232, square root 232 divided by 4. And I got 258, hence the radical expression. So it's 12 plus minus 2 square root 58 divided by 4. So 6 plus 58, square root 58 divided by 2. And then it's going to be 13.6, because my calculator couldn't do all the calculations. Yours might. 13.6 divided by 2 equals 6.8. This is the answer. I didn't round it because it's 6.80, so it's 6.8. And then same thing here as opposite. So 12 minus square root 232 divided by 4. 12, yeah, 12 minus 2 square root 58, radical expression. 6 minus square root 58 divided by 2, which is negative 1.61 divided by 2, which is negative 0.80. And as you can see, the y-intercept is like right here. So I got positive 25 and 10. And then this is the y value, which is like 29, as it did like for part A. That's greater than 29. Then for question number 2, there we have a word problem. So a water balloon is launched at a moving target. The path of the water balloon can be modeled by the function ht equals negative 5t squared plus 20t plus 2, where height ht is in meters and time t is in seconds. So part A is asking, part A is asking, when will the water balloon reach a height of 15 meters? So we know height is like 15 meters. So let's put h 15. And then we're going to write the equation. So 15, and t is not given. So I'm just going to leave that alone. And then it's going to be negative 5t squared plus 20t plus 2. So t, I'm gonna leave it as 1 because it's gonna be 1 squared plus 20 times 1 plus 2. So negative 5 times 1 is going to be negative 5. And then it's going to be 20 and then plus 2. And then when you put that into a calculator, it's going to be, 5 plus... That's not it. Okay, so we're going to do negative 5 plus 20. Oh, sorry. Negative 5 plus 20, which equals 2, which equals 17. So therefore, it'll reach height of 15 meters at 17 seconds. Oh, sorry, this is part A. I'm not labeling my work. And then B is asking if the moving to B, like time and height is actually given. So it says if the moving target is at a height of 22 meters 2 seconds after the balloon was launched, is it possible for the balloon to hit the moving target? So I have to show my work. So we're gonna write our equation again. So equals negative 5t squared plus 20t plus 2. So the height is 22, I recall. I'm gonna write the height 22. Time equals 2 seconds. So I'm going to 22, and then it's 2. And then I'm going to equal that. So negative 5 times 2 plus 20 times 2 plus 2. So negative 5 times, well, 2 squared is 4, so negative 5 times 4 equal negative 20. Plus 20 times 2. Oh, let's do it on my calculator. 20 times 2 equal 40. plus 2. So I'm going to equal that. Whoops. So it's negative 20 plus 40 plus 2 equals 22. It's going to be 22 meters. Wait, I think it's, wait, what is it asking again? Wait, it's asking if a hit. So time 22 seconds. So therefore, since it's a moving target, I think it'll hit because it's moving all the time. So one is 22, so it will reach. No, it won't reach. What am I saying? It will go hit the moving target. Target at 22 seconds. Sorry, I don't know if you can see that. 22 seconds.